My dick cost a late night fee. Yo dick got the HIV. My dick plays on the double feature screen. Yo dick went straight to DVD.
My dick bigger than a bridge. Yo dick look like a little kid's. My dick large like the Chargers, the whole team. Yo shit look like you 14.
My dick locked in a cage, right? Yo dick suffer from stage fright. My dick so hot it's stolen. Yo dick look like Gary Coleman.
My dick pink and big. Yo dick stinks like shit. My dick got a Caesar do. Yo dick needs a tweezer, dude.
My dick is like supersized. Yo dick look like two fries. My dick more mass than the earth. Yo dick half that, it needs work.
My dick been there, done that. Yo dick sits there with Duns cap. My dick VIP. Yo shit needs ID. It's time that we let the world know, dude, you gotta let your girl go. DS is the best in the business. PS, we got dicks like Jesus. It's time that we let the world know, dude, you gotta let your girl go. DS is the best in the business. PS, we got dicks like Jesus.
My dick need no introduction. Yo dick don't even function.
My dick served a